Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Beef will be used to make dried beans. Separating the bony and boneless parts of the meat. The tough parts of the meat are cleaned. The meat is cut into small cubes to add to the beans. Chopped meat will be added to the pot and washed in boiling water. Bones will be boiled and used as marrow bone broth in soups and meals. It needs to be boiled with boiling water for 10 minutes and the blood in it should be cleaned and the water should be renewed. Get rid of the dirty foam that appears on it after boiling. Pour boiling water. Add salt. Add onions. Add boiling water. Bone broth needs to boil for at least 4 hours to be ready. Chopped meat is washed with boiling water. After pouring the dirty water, the cooking process begins. Add some sunflower oil and fry the meat for 5 minutes. Some black pepper. Salt. Boiling water. It will be cooked on low heat for at least 2 hours. Some meats may be cooked earlier. Check after 1 hour. Preparing finely chopped onions. Two kilograms of beans will be enough for 40 people. 6 onions are chopped. Sunflower oil. Onions are roasted for 5–10 minutes. Add 1 spoon of hot pepper paste and 2 spoons of tomato paste. Paprika, black pepper, salt, sugar. Wheat flour. Boiling water. Adding meat and broth. Boiled beans. Green peppers and tomatoes. After boiling, the dry bean dish is ready to be served. Bulgur Pilaf with onions and vermicelli. Noodle will be roasted. Stir constantly until it turns red. Olive oil, sunflower oil, chopped onion in mixer. .5 cups of 3 kilograms of bulgur. Salt, pepper, black pepper, mint. Roasted noodle. Adding 3 cups of water for 1.5 cups of bulgur. It should be mixed in between to completely run out of water. After waiting for 45 minutes, bulgur pilaf is ready to serve. Chicken bone broth to make highland soup. Some more boiling water. 1 bowl of rice. Rice will be stirred at intervals until cooked. An empty pot will be without water. Flour and sunflower oil. 2 glasses of flour are added and the flour is roasted. Dry mint. Since the beating will be done, the rice is added later, the juicy part on the pot where we boiled the rice. Boiling water. Yogurt for soup and flour for some consistency. Egg yolk. Juice of 4 lemons. Some cold water. The mixture was prepared smoothly by whipping. Some soup is added to the mixture. It is mixed and the mixture is added to the soup. After the beating process is finished, the rice is added. salt, ready to serve plateau soup after boiling. Ingredients for making milk semolina dessert: 3 liters of milk, 2 liters of water, 1 liter of sherbet, 1 kilogram of sugar, 250 grams of margarine, 1 kilogram of semolina, 10 grams of vanilla powder with sugar. A very simple dessert will be made. First, margarine, milk and water are added to the pot. Sherbet is added. The mixture will boil. Vanilla powder is added to the semolina. Add sugar when it reaches boiling point. After boiling, semolina is added and it should be mixed and thickened. After boiling for 10 minutes, it reached the desired consistency. Being added to the baking tray. It will be sliceable after cooling. You can add chocolate sauce or coconut on it. Milk semolina dessert is ready to serve. Good luck! In addition, sweet cut buns are made. This yeast and sugar dough is similar to pastry dough. There is cocoa cake soaked with raisins, walnuts and milk, as well as powdered cinnamon and chocolate chips. The mixture is added to the edge of the dough. Dough is closed. The buns will be placed on the baking tray after being cut into squares. After adding egg yolk on it, the buns will go to the oven and are cooked until the top and bottom are browned. Buns are wonderful and satisfying with tea. They can be preferred for breakfast. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Recipes Chef Salim. If you want to donate, you can specify in the comments. Beans with meat, Bulgur Pilaf with onions and vermicelli, Highland soup with rice, Semolina dessert with milk and additionally cut buns. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.